Hi Sumeru,
Hi, man.
how are you?
I am fine, man.
Yeah, Sumeru, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, man.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placement, Sumeru.
Yes, man. Thank you, man.
Okay, Sumeru, introduce about yourself and about your native.
Myself, Sumeru pattankude, man. I am from Belgaum district, man. I
Please.
studied college in Belgaum only, man. KLS VPV Polytechnic College, man.
Okay, that's nice. Like Sumeru, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
I got to know about my friend, man.
Your friend also completed the course in CMTI?
No, man.
Okay, that's like Sumeru, what course you have adopted in CMTI? What you have
In
learned in CMTI?
interior designing,
Interior designing. Okay. What are the topics you have covered in interior designs? What are the new topics you have learned?
a sequence of contract construction, man. And interior inside, man. Interior designing. All topics is covered.
Okay, Sumeru, like what are the softwares you have learned?
AutoCAD, Sketchup, man. Enscape and V-Ray.
Okay, like how was the trainer's support towards you? How was the teaching?
Yes, man. Teaching is good, man. What we don't get, we will get clarify after asking questions. It is supportive in business.
Okay, Sumeru, like how about Ashok's support towards you?
How they teach us how to be clarified in how what we work.
Okay, like Sumeru, how was the CMTI app helped you out? What are the benefit of app?
Yes, ma'am, it is good, ma'am. If you don't get anything, ma'am, you can learn through or revise through that app, ma'am. CMT app.
Okay.
Yes,
Like, yeah. So, really, what are the site visits you have completed? Site, industrial, and interior visits you have visited for?
IBO, ma'am, Design Cafe, IKEA, ma'am, and malls.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, really, like, finally, what you want to say to your friends and junior about CMTI?
Yes, ma'am, it is good to be here in CMT, ma'am, to learn. And you should get all the clarify what we want to learn. You will get here, ma'am. Having knowledge of theory, practical, and site visits.
Okay. Sumit, how was your placement procedure? How it conducted?
I had attended interviews, 7 to 8 interviews, ma'am. And role is interior design.
Interior designing. Okay, I think you're happy with your placement, Sumiru.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Yeah.
happy. Ma'am.
Okay, fine, Sumiru. Like, how was the CMTA coordinator and staff support towards you?
Yes, ma'am. It's good, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Sumiru, for your feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, have a bright future. Congratulations for your placement, Sumiru.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.